Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Just purchased this bonfire pit from Amazon. I just got this one portable bonfire pit and it's 4 piece that comes for $29.99 from Amazon. Price may vary. So this is the first time I purchased, so I'm just curious how it is. And this is good for both indoor and outdoor, that's what they mentioned. And so this is the thing, so this is the pen, and looks like they are giving some pads, 4 pads they are giving, which is really good. And 4 bonfire pit, this is sealed one. Let me open. So there are 4. Let me open this one, and it's very small. This is just 2.5 inch wide and 1.75 inch I think height. So this is the thing. So this is the bonfire pit, friends, and as they mentioned, this one will run for 1 to 2 hours, and this is good for both indoor and outdoor. And it's a good product, like if you're going for a camping or doing something. So this is really good, looks like. Let me fire this one and see. Before I start, let me show you this pad that they are giving. So this is pretty small, very small pad, not that enough thick, so I'm not sure how good it will be, like using only one pad and putting it there. So that's one thing I'm not sure. So let me put few more. Right now it will be on top, so it won't be that much high heat, but when it's going down, all the way down, like it's going getting out, that time it will be very hot. So I put actually 2, and let me turn on the fire and see. So fire is on. You can see the fire is on, and it is giving some, like it's on. This is not bad. So it is on full form. This is not bad, not enough smoke, like not too much smoke, so you can use it for indoor. But one thing is there's a black smoke coming out, so if you are using it indoor, I'm not sure, like your wall or something may be getting some smoke, like turning black or something, that I'm not sure, that one thing. So but and I am not sure like how much it will be, like if it is like that. And they're saying that it can be used for like for the campfire, and if you are doing campfire or something, you can use it. This is really good. It's for decoration purpose, like if you are having outdoor something, party or something on the table, if you put this one, it will be looking really good, like fire. So you know that everybody knows that how it will be looking good. So that's one very good thing. Today the weather is not good in my area, and it's very windy. I have a sunroom and I put it here. So obviously if you see the environment, I actually take out all the things. It's already cold started, but if you look at this environment, it looks nice here. And like you will get a very good environment, like when you have this kind of fire pit, small fire pit. It will good for like if you are having party or spending some time in outdoor outside. This is a good one, and it will last for a longer time, like 1 to 2 hours, and it is reusable as the site. So this is very good one. And another thing is it won't give you enough heat, so don't think you can get enough heat from it. So like it's only for decoration purpose and make the environment very ambient or something, like that's how it is. And also I'm touching this area, it's not that much hot yet, but obviously when it's the candle will melt, it will be very hot. So this pad, I'm not sure how good it will be, so you need to make sure about this. And again, price wise, the 4 piece is almost 30 bucks, which I think little high. It shouldn't be that much, but yeah, maybe the company will think about the price, but otherwise it's fine. It's a good one. So friends, that's all about this product. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.